Hello everyone! In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use your Avios points on Qatar Airways. First, go to the Qatar Airways website or open the mobile app. On the home screen, tap Book a Flight and enter your origin, destination, and travel dates. Once you search for flights, look for the Avios toggle. Tap it to switch prices from cash to Avios points. Now you'll see all the available flights with their corresponding Avios cost. Select the flight you want, confirm the number of Avios required, and proceed to check out. If you don't have enough Avios, you'll see a message like insufficient Avios. Otherwise, you're good to go. And that's it. That's how to use your Avios points on Qatar Airways. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.